Alright, today class, I will discuss about just in time. Okay? Yung tinatawag natin just in time. Okay? So, tinatawag din tong GID. Okay? So, just in time or GID. Sa iba, tinatawag din tong backflash accounting. Okay? So, tinatawag din tong backflash accounting. So, later, no, why is it that it is known as backflash and just in time? But before that, what are the five principles? No? So, what are the five principles of GIP? Okay? So, please take note of this. What are the five principles of the just in time? Number one, yung tinatawag natin total quality management. So, ano bang ibig sabihin ng total quality management? Ibig sabihin, class, no? It just in time, very important is quality above cost. Okay? Quality above cost. Yan ang pinaka-importante. Number two, no? The five principles of just in time is that very important is yung tinatawag natin production management. So, very important class in the production management is to consider yung tinatawag natin pull system. What do you mean of pull system? No? Made to order. Okay? So made to order is the pull system versus push system wherein made for inventory. Kasi klase, just in time, dapat walang inventory. Number three, very important also in the just in time, yung tinatawag natin suppliers management. Okay. So ano naman ang ibig sabihin ng suppliers management? Ito naman ay more on or you maintain daw few suppliers. Okay. O sir, bakit po in suppliers management, we should maintain few suppliers? Eh di ba sa management dapat madami tayong suppliers? Because of number four. Number four is inventory management. Ano bang ibig sabihin ng inventory management? Kung pwedeng zero is your inventory, mas pwede. Or few inventory kung hindi maiwasan. Bakit? Yung inventory mo, pwedeng nasa suppliers natin. Kaya sa suppliers yan, as a few suppliers, so ibig sabihin, konti lang yung kausap natin. No? And number five, very important class in the principles of the just in time, yung tinatawag natin human resource management. So ano bang ibig sabihin ng human resource management? Ibig sabihin, the role of HR